How to actually become a cybersecurity pro? Spoiler, it's not what you think. All right, future cyber warrior. Let's cut through the BS. You've seen the movies where hackers type at 1000 WPM while dodging FBI agents? Yeah, real cybersecurity is way cooler and way less Hollywood. Here's the raw truth about breaking into the industry. Step 1, stop asking how and start doing. But what certifications do I need? Do I have to code? What if I suck at math? Wrong questions. The real question is, what can I break and then fix? Step 2, pick your poison, your path. Cybersecurity isn't one job, it's a battlefield of roles. Blue team, the defenders, SOC analysts, incident responders. Red team, the attackers, pen testers, ethical hackers. Purple team, the hybrid warriors. Cloud security, the future. You don't have to choose now, but you do have to start. Step 3, build your hacker minset play. TryHackMe, Hack the Box, CTFs, break stuff. Set up a home lab, break it, fix it, repeat. Learn in public, blog, tweet, fail, repeat. Step 4. Certifications, the cheat codes, yes, they help, but only if you pair them with skills. Start with CompTIA Security Plus, the golden ticket. CEH or Pentest Plus if you love hacking. OSCP, the holy grail for red team. Step 5, get hired, even with zero experience. Freelance, bug bounties, small gigs, home lab like a pro. Your Raspberry Pi is now a corporate network. Network, Twitter, LinkedIn, DEF CON, meetups. Yes, talk to people. Cybersecurity isn't about being a genius. It's about being obsessed with solving puzzles, breaking systems, and defending them. So, are you in? Drop me in the comments if you're ready to start.